Select the solution or solutions for the equation. We have a rational equation. Rational is because we have ratio fractions within the equation. And there are several ways of solving this equation. One way is to plug in the numbers, which can be a bit challenging just because adding the fractions, not too bad. Another way is just to go ahead and get rid of the denominators. So we want to cancel the denominators. So we are going to be looking for the lowest common multiple that will allow us to cancel your denominators. I want to cancel this 5x. So therefore my LCM should have a 5x, or 5 times x. I want to cancel this 4x. So the x is going to cancel with this x, so therefore I just need times 4. And I also want to cancel this 20, but this 20 is going to cancel with a 4 times 5. We do not need another 20x, otherwise your problem will get too large. So I'll multiply both sides or each term by 4 times 5 times x. 4 times 5 times x and 4 times 5 times x. So what cancels on the first one? On the first one, your 5 and your x cancels. So therefore I just have a 4 multiplied by x plus 1. Don't forget about this negative 2. What cancels on the next one? The 4 and the x. So the 4 and the x cancel. So I just have a negative 2 multiplied by 5. Careful with the negative. And on the next one, the 20 gets cancelled with a 4 times the 5. So I just end up with 1x. And now we just have a much more simple equation. A simpler equation. Distributive property. So we have 4x plus 1 multiply minus 10 go to 1x. I'm going to go ahead and add first, combine like terms. So I'll give me 4x minus 9 equal to 1x, or just x. I'm going to move my x to the left, becomes a negative x or negative 1x, and I'll move my 9 to the right, becomes a positive 9. So therefore on the left I have a 3x, and on the right I just have a 9. Divide by 3 on both sides, so therefore x is equal to 3. And your answer is letter A. Now remember that we do have what we call restrictions. What are the values that x cannot be equal to? Your denominator cannot be 0. So what value will make this 0? X cannot be equal to 0. Because if x equal to 0, this will be a 0, which will be undefined. So letter B can never be an answer on this specific problem.